The WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control marked 20 years since its entry into force on the 27th of February 2025. It was the first ever public health treaty negotiated under the auspices of WHO, with 183 parties to the convention, covering 90% of the global population. To celebrate, the WHO FCTC Secretariat launched a global campaign and hosted an event at the WHO headquarters in Geneva to commemorate this milestone and highlight the continued importance of advancing these efforts. The Secretariat interacted with the public, gave out commemorative merchandise, and quizzed them about tobacco control trivia. In the afternoon, more than 100 attendees, including representatives from almost 30 permanent missions, participated in the 20-year anniversary ceremony. The participants reiterated the treaty's success in improving global health by saving millions of lives. They also pointed out the WHO FCTC was a standout example of a UN treaty that was swiftly adopted and rapidly delivered tangible results.
Well, this is a very important moment because it's the moment that you can think all what has been done in these years in order to combat the tobacco epidemic, but also to make the balance of what needs to be done in the future. One thing that has been constant during these 20 years is that this industry have been constantly trying to undermine tobacco control. Now, using different methods, trying to be part of the solution, pretending that they can provide some kind of product that will help this epidemic that they have created. They are just using one new tool to try to hook more young people in this addiction. We need to think forward, we need to think innovative ways, but mainly we need to keep and strengthen the implementation of the measures of the WHO FCTC.
C'est très important parce que c'est le premier traité négocié sous les auspices de l'OMS, mais en plus c'est un cas spécifique d'un exemple concret d'un système des Nations Unies qui fonctionne. Et c'est grâce à ça qu'on a un traité vraiment basé sur l'évidence scientifique et qui peut vraiment aider à sauver des millions de vies.
The future is bright for tobacco control. We have learned our lessons over the past 20 years. So we should capitalize on the lessons that we learned to do much better.
Well, the future of tobacco control is us essentially, the youth. And it's not because we are the future, it's not only because of that, it's also because we will be the key players in tobacco control, and we should be empowered enough to fulfill that responsibility.